These types of natural reels are going viral. Just look at this account, for example. He posted only 6 reels for the last 30 days and got more than 30,000 subscribers. This is not too bad, right? So how is he doing this? And how can you actually repeat it and make at least $5,000 per month? Let's find out. First things first, you need some prompts, right? And high-quality image prompts are actually really huge. But now I will show you how to make these prompts in just 1 minute. The first thing you need to do is sign up or log into your ChatGPT account. Then create a new chat and paste this prompt, which you can find in the comments, and write whatever you want. I'm going to add a little house and a mountain. And here it is. We just generated a new and unique prompt. And now it's time to step 2. Generate an image. You can use every AI you want, but I recommend you use Midjourney because recently Midjourney made a website that allows you to generate images for free. So go to Midjourney.com. Simply register there. You can use your Discord account or Google, but it doesn't matter. So now go to the Create tab. Go to the settings by pressing this button right here and change the image size to 916. Also, make sure that you use the last version of Midjourney. After this, paste your prompt, press enter, and wait some amount of time. Pick the image that you like the most and download it. Step number 3, generate a video. You already have the image, but now you need to generate a simple video. So for this, you can use Immersity AI. Then you sing up, you will get to this page where you need to upload the image that you generated before. As you can see, our image is automatically animated. On the right side, you can find some settings. Using these, you can change your animation style and make your animation more unique. I will choose this one. Finally, you can export your animation. To do this, click on Export. Select this option and click on Next. Again, click here. And finally, you can export this. Step number 4, editing. So this is our video. And if you want to make it longer, you can use any video editor. I use CapCut because it's free and easy to use. Upload your video and duplicate it. Now you have a longer animation, and you can add a transition to make it way better. To make it even better, you can increase the video speed. Don't forget to add background music that you can copy from his videos. And now your video is ready. Simply export the video. Step number 5. How to make money from this. Instagram doesn't have monetization like YouTube or TikTok. So how they are making money? It is really simple. See this link in his description. Then you click on it, you will get to his store, where he is selling wallpapers. But how you can make even more money than this? You can sell your own course and teach other people how they can do the same thing. For example, his course has been sold 6 times, which means he made $600 from it. It's really good money. So now you know how to make a passive income in just a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.